when you pull the trigger, right? There's kind of like a take-up area.
Yep.
You see how you see that? So when I hit that, like there's a resistance there. Feel that? That's where the trigger is gonna break. Watch. Boom. Now this one I take out the spring so it's a little bit lighter, a little more crisp. See that? Watch. Boom. When I'm pulling my trigger, when I hold my button, percent, right? When I hit here and my bound in the same direction, I made a decision to shoot. I'm shooting this guy in his chest 5 times right now. As soon as I make that choice, right, my gun comes out. As soon as I get here, I'm in the same direction. My finger starts prepping. I'm preparing to shoot. That way, when I get there, fully extended, all I need to do is boom, that. Now I don't want movement. I don't want this. See that? I don't want that. That's why you guys are getting low. You got too much movement. You trigger pull. You jerking the gun kind of downward. So I wouldn't say we're not pulling from there. We're gonna prep, get here. By the time we send, boom. So you're taking all that slack out. But by the time you're ready, all you need to do is break the trigger, right? So they call it taking the slack out. People say sitting on the wall. I mean, I don't know what term is the best term, but all I say is I like to push to where I start getting that resistance. Once I hit that, I know I'm on the wall. I know, I mean, personally, me, I've been shooting the same triggers for a long time. I can go a little past that wall, but I'm really good. All I need to do is this. Alien boom. But that's why when you shoot the headshots, I'm accurate because I'm not yanking my trigger.
So is there a point where you do that during that process?
What?
You know what I mean? So as you're figuring out where that point is, are you here? Are you here?
I'm here. Boom, right here. I would say right here is where I'm completed. So I can fire right now. I mean, granted, I don't want to fire. I'm not on a line, but as soon as I get there, everything's already done. All I'm doing is breaking the shot, right? So I want to do all I want to do if I had to shoot somebody, the only thing I want to think about is actually shooting. I don't want to think about my grip. I don't want to think about my trigger pull. I don't want to think about the wall. I don't want to think about anything. All I want to do is pull my gun out, see my sight, and break my shot. Right? So you need to take the slack out of that trigger. We're not pulling all the way. You're pulling. By the time you get there, bang. It's just a small break. You get very, 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 if not any, zero deviation. See that? That's where I was aiming. I'm aiming at the end. So I don't have anything low. So I'm not deviating my job. See, this is a deviation. So what we're going to do is we're going to get on the range. Everybody's going to get on the line. When you get on the line, I want you to make the gun clear. It's the only time we're going to do this. Clear your gun when you get on the line. In the same direction, just rack the round out, let it go on the floor, sleep, we'll get him after, right? And then we're going to practice dry, click, click, and then we're going to make it hot and do this again. Because I need to see 7 man shots before I get the barricade.